Dear children, the last class we studied about articles in details, and today's class I am going to teach you about articles on the basis of your grammar text. See, in your grammar textbook, we have various activities to fill all these, right? See, before go to those activities, let us learn about somewhat rules regarding these articles. Articles are divided into two. We have two articles such as a or an and the. A or an is called the definite. Is it the definite? No. Indefinite. A or an is called indefinite article because it usually leaves indefinite the person. Indefinite in the sense any person or thing spoken of. For example, a doctor, that is any doctor. When we use article a before the word doctor, doctor, we are used doctor, we are pointing any doctor. So here doctor is not specified. Okay. When we come to the is used, the is called the definite article because it normally points out some particular person. Points out in the sense we are going to pointing a person who is doctor. Got it? We can say I saw the doctor. When we pointing a person, we can say he saw the doctor. He saw the doctor. The is used because here this doctor we knew very well. But when we come to first, I mean wherein a or an, a doctor, we don't know which doctor we are talking about. So any doctor. As a result, we can use a. Got it? I hope you understood very well. Let's move to your grammar text. See, in your grammar textbook, somewhere in page number 20, you have let's learn. See, in that the very first statement is articles a or an, a an or the. See, we have two articles a or an, the. Got it? So here a, an or the go before. Such kind of articles are used before nouns. Okay. Sometimes there is no article before a noun. How? Names of people and places have no article. See, as they told in the beginning, articles a, an or the is used before nouns. See, for example, nouns. What do you mean by nouns? You can say the words which name of a person, place or thing. Got it? That is what? Noun. See, names of people. Let me take my name. My name is Nagaraj. Let me write Nagaraj. Can I use article like the or an or a? We cannot use article before name of the person. Got it? Let's come to next one. Places have no articles. Places. For example, Shirali. Can I say the Shirali? Similarly, the Murdeshwar, a Murdeshwar. Got it? Or the Badkala. We cannot use article before name of the place and name of the person. Let's jump to the next rule. Don't use articles when talking about things in general. we should not use articles when we are talking about something about general with plural or uncountable nouns. We should not use article when we are talking about plural form or uncountable nouns. Let's talk about plural form. Plural form. So, what is plural form? Here you have studied about a child, child. Child is singular. And what is the plural form of child? Children. Children is plural form. Got it? And plural form must be used with general, That's why children like sweets. You cannot say the children. No need to use article before plural form. So the sentence used in general. Children like sweets. I'm talking about every children. So specific here. Got it? So not specific. It's in general form. Generally children like sweets. In that sense we can use. Therefore no need to use article there. Next, plural form. What is that plural form here? Computer and computers. Computers, plural form of computer. Computer is singular. Computers are used in many offices. We cannot say the computers. No need to use article because the statement is used in general. Got it? So before plural countable nouns used in general sense. As a result, no need to use article the or any other article like a or an. Okay, let's move on. Here, so earlier we talked about countable, plural form. Now we are talking about uncountable. Uncountable, what do you mean by uncountable? The things which we cannot count. Got it? That is known as uncountable. So there we should not use any article. No article is used to such kind of words, and these are used in general. Sugar is bad for teeth. Here sugar, uncountable noun, and is bad for teeth. Uncountable noun does not have any article before. You cannot write a sugar or the sugar. Got it? You cannot use article the or a. Why? Because your sugar is uncountable. We cannot count sugar like 1 sugar, 2 sugars, 3 sugars. If you want to count sugar, you need to say like half kilo of sugar. Got it? Like that. Let's come to the second example. Gold is precious metal. Here you cannot write the gold like the sugar. You cannot use the before this uncountable nouns. Let's move to next rule. Use a or an with singular. What we have to do? A or an with singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns. When we are using singular countable nouns, we can use a or an. So which are singular countable nouns? When talking about one person or thing. Let us go to the example. A book. Here book is singular. Got it? No doubt at all. And countable. We can count book like 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, like that. Similarly, an orange. A girl. Got it? Here a or an is used with singular countable nouns. Is it clear? Yes. Next, use a or an to talk about which job somebody has. So when we are talking about somebody's job, we can use a or an. See, for example, my uncle is an engineer. So his job is engineering job. That's why an engineer. He is a doctor. See, he is doctor. His job is to treat patients, right? Similarly, I can give I'm a teacher. I am a teacher. I'm a teacher, right? So I'm talking about person's job. There we can use a or an. Okay, let's move on. Use before a consonant sound, C sounds, and before a vowel sound. See here, on the basis of sound, we are going to use article such as a and an. See, a or an is used on the basis of words sound. Sound in the sense pronunciation of the first letter. Say for example, a boy. The word boy here B is consonant. Consonant sound, B produces consonant. As a result, we have to say a boy. Okay. Similarly, all these example except H. Here H is used. How? Let me show you. See, let me take the horse, the word horse. Here horse, H is used. Okay, H is used, and H is consonant, no doubt at all. But the way we produce its sound, that is consonant. As a result, we can use a horse. Similarly, a hole. Okay, but when we come to this word, the word which begins with U, here we had a problem. Let me tell you how it is. Let me take the word university. See here, the beginning of this word is U. Here U is vowel, as we have studied. So which are vowels? Which are vowels? We have 5 vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, here U is vowel, no doubt, but it produces Y sound, Y sound. Y sound it produces. Here Y is consonant. As a result, here A is used. Similarly, a uniform, a union, a European, a unicorn, a useful. Got it? So these words produces consonant sounds. As a result, we can use what? A before such kind of words. But when we come to second example here, okay, here let me explain. Yes, here the first word as here the beginning word, the word begins with A. Here A is vowel, no doubt, vowel, but its sound, when we come to the sound of this first letter, that produces vowel sound. As a result, an. Got it? Yes. Similarly, an enemy, an ink pad, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. But when we come to here, the word which begins with H, such kind of words as we have studied before, right? Let me take the word are. Here, pronunciation is different. Why? Because the beginning word, beginning letter, I mean, this word begins with H, but H is mute. You cannot pronounce the letter H and have to move to the next letter, that is O. Here O is vowel letter, as a result an R. Similarly, it is not like honest. This is wrong. Actual pronunciation of this word is honest. H is mute. Honest man. Similarly, an heir. Got it? So in this case, we have to use an before these words. The word which has vowel sound. You can use an. The word which produces consonant sound, you can use a. Let's move. H is consonant. So use with words beginning with H in sound and spelling, but and with R, honor, because they start with vowel sounds. See, here comes the problem. Here we have two examples, Yes, a hotel, a historical, a heroic. Second, we have an honest, repeated, an heir. Okay. See here, when we come to first example, a hotel, this word begins with H. The second example also begins with H. But what is the difference? Difference is that the way it produces its sound, Article a or an is based on article a and an is based on sound the words produces. Here, a hotel, no doubt this word is right because H is pronounced hotel. H is pronounced, as a result a hotel. Similarly, a historical, H is pronounced. A heroic, H is pronounced. As a result, a. But when we come to second example, honest. Here, H is mute and it produces vowel sound. As a result, an. Similarly, R. An R, we can say. Got it? It's very easy. Let's move on. Use the before singular and plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Here we have countable and uncountable along with singular and plural. How it is? The is used before singular. What is the singular? The dog is a faithful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Here dog is singular. We can count dogs, okay, like that. One dog, two dogs, okay, like that. But dog is used in singular along with the. Okay, we can use the with singular countable. Got it? Singular countable. Second, the is used before plural, so that is countable nouns. Plural also, and which can be counted. How? The oranges. Here oranges, no doubt, plural form and countable nouns. We can count oranges. Okay. 2 oranges, 3 oranges, like that we can count. So before that word we can use the. Okay. Let's move to the next one. The before uncountable nouns. The things which we cannot count. For example, sugar. Can we count sugar? 1 sugar, 2 sugars. We cannot count sugars. Therefore, we can use somewhere here the. How? Here in the earlier example, we studied about the sugar is bad for teeth. We didn't use the. Sugar is bad for teeth. But here the is used. Okay, before uncountable nouns. Why? What is the reason behind? The reason is very simple, my dear children. Here sugar, as like I told you earlier, sugar is bad for teeth. Here sugar is in general. So generally sugar is bad for teeth. But in this statement, could you pass me the sugar? Here I am pointing the sugar where it is. Sugar is kept on the table. So on that particular time, I can point out the sugar which I wanted. Therefore, I can say that, could you pass me the sugar? Got it? In this case, we can use the before uncountable nouns. It's very clear. See, it is decided on the basis of statement. Let's move on. Use the when the speaker and listener both know what is being talked about. Yes, what is this? The is used when the speaker and listener both know very well about the concept or the thinking or the way that sentences used. See here, we have 2 sentences. This sentence is already used in earlier class to show that how articles are used. As you can see here, while a woman was standing at the bus stop, a boy seized the purse in her hand and tried to escape. I caught the boy and made him return the purse to the woman. So this is what statements here. What we have to focus here is a woman is used. A. Okay. A is used before the word woman. And the bus stop. The is used. A boy. A is used. The purse. The definite article. So when we come to second sentence, totally different. Why? Because earlier sentence we have used a boy, but here is the boy, the definite article. Here the woman, earlier a woman. What is the reason behind? Reason is very clear, my dear children. It's very clear. How? Because the beginning part of the statement, we don't know which woman, which boy, but we knew very well about bus stop. We have only one bus stop in the village. That's why the. Okay, decided. The purse. Why? Because a woman held in her hand. That symbolizes I know very well about the purse. That's why the. But we don't know which woman we are talking, which boy we are talking about. Got it? Just said. While a woman was standing at the bus stop, a boy sees the purse in her hand. In her hand says that. So which purse the woman held? Okay. But when we come to second sentence, the first sentence is decided. I mean, a woman is used. Therefore, which woman we are talking about? As a result, the boy, the woman. Is it clear? Next, use with things that are unique. What do you mean by unique? Unique. Unique in the sense being the only existing one of its type, being only one. So what is only one here? The sun. How many sun we have? Only one. Got it? The earth. Only one earth we have. Only one prime minister. The is used as unique. Got it? Use with use the with streets and hotels. It is not necessary to use. Sometimes we are using, sometimes we are leaving. Okay, but somewhere in the hotels we are using the Hilton. It's about hotel. As you can see, theaters you can say the Odon. The is used. Before cinemas and all, we are using the villain, like that. Okay, the. Okay, in that way we are using. But before streets and all, it's very less to use. Like I told you here, continents, towns and streets don't have an article. Got it? You cannot say the Africa, the Asia, okay, the New York, the Shirali, the Murdeshwar. You cannot say. But when we come to streets, church street, no, not necessary to use such kind of articles before these words. You cannot say the church street. So you can leave this here. Let's move on. Use with superlative forms. This one you might have studied in this earlier classes, right? You have studied about positive statement, I mean positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Just you remind, okay? Here, let me take one word, big, bigger, biggest. Here, biggest is superlative form of big, right? Similarly, beautiful, beautiful is positive, right? Positive degree. When we turn this positive degree to comparative, it looks like more beautiful, right? And when we go to superlative, what is this? What is that? What is that? It's very clear, most beautiful. So such kind of words like superlatives, when we are using superlatives, we need to use article. The definite article is necessary. The example I have given: the richest, the biggest, the most beautiful, the greatest, the smallest. Similarly, I gave two examples in the form of superlative degree. Samriddhi is the cleverest girl in the class, in her class. You are the best girl of this class. Got it? Let's move on. Yes, now we came to your activity. Activity which is given in page number 20. Yes, sure. I can see the money. Here the definite article is used because I can see the money. So I'm pointing. So money, about money. Everyone needs money. Here is given. Everyone needs. It's common, right? Money. Next, turn. What do you mean by turn? Turn on. Turn on the light. Definite article the, because what you wanted to do, you knew very well, you wanted to turn on the light. Plants die without light. It's common. Next, the bread. Definite article the is used. The bread in the kitchen. Where it is? In the kitchen. You knew very well. That's why the. Bread is easy to make, common. Next, I want to study what? Music. Any music you can study, okay? Listen to the music. No, the specific music you wanted to, specific music you wanted to study. You wanted to listen, right? Not study, listen. listen to the music. Football is a sport. Yes, everybody knows. Common. The football is in the car. You are decided which football you are talking about. Next, underline the correct option. Which option is correct? That option we have to underline here. Yes. I get. Here we have three words. No? Which is the word? Which is the suitable for this sentence? I get dash every morning. Here every morning says it is going to clear. I mean it clears this which bus, and we knew very well the same bus. Okay, just to underline the words the same bus. Okay, it is like in the form of praise, you know. Meena is dash at Honey Hospital. So we are talking about person's job. That's why Meena is a nurse. A nurse. Next, I'm busy. I'll feed dash later. I'm busy right now. What I wanted to do, I wanted to feed dash. So animal is used here. Cat, a cat, the cat, cat. What is the right answer here? Which answer is right? Okay. Can we say the cat? Yes, because we knew which cat we wanted to feed. Next, there are a lot of students dash a university, the university, university. So where we found lot of students? Wherein? In the university. That's why the university is right answer there. Let's move to the next activity. So where we stopped here? Somewhere in the fourth sentence. We have to begin from fifth, right? What is dash a fruit or vegetable? What is a tomato? The tomato or tomato. What is a tomato? What is a tomato? What is the tomato? No. What is a tomato is right here. Tomato which we held in our hand at the time when we are deciding whether this is fruit or vegetable. Please give me dash a scissors, the scissors, scissors. Please give me. We are asking with someone. We are requesting with someone to have scissors, you know, to get scissors. So which scissors we are talking about? So scissors which we knew very well. So the scissors is right answer there. Next, seventh one. My sister loves dash a chocolate. The chocolate. Chocolates. Here plural form. Because of plural form, you can write this. No need to use article here. So let us select chocolates. Okay, like I told you earlier, children like sweets. Next, where is dash a post office? The post office. Post office. I cannot find it. Like I told you earlier about bus stand. Bus stand is only one. As a result, here is post office, which he wanted to go. Which where he wanted to go? He wanted to go to the post office. So the post office is right answer here. Did you see a game? The game last night. Which game is very clear? The game, right? The game is right answer. Next, when we come to 10th one, a spot or the spot or spot is important. Which Which is important here? Which is right answer? Here, as I opined. Why? Because we don't know which spot. We can say a spot. A spot is important. A spot is important. Which spot? I don't know. A spot is important. Right answer is a spot is important. Let's move to the next activity. Fill in the blanks. Aromatherapy is aroma. What do you mean by aroma? Aroma in the sense smell or fragrance. Therapy means treatment. Aromatherapy is a holistic. Here suitable article A. Here H is pronounced holistic. You cannot say holistic. Okay. H is pronounced. As a result, a holistic healing process for the body and mind. Body and mind with the use of fragrances dash. The basis of this therapy lies in, can we write an essential? We cannot write. Why? Because oils, plural form. That's why the. Contained in plant materials, these can be found in leaves, flowers, roots, seeds, bark, and resins. Resin. What do you mean by resin? Resin is a kind of solid or liquid in the form of adhesive or glue, right? Which we have from that tree. When we cut the tree, we can notice that sticky form, liquid form of like glue. Yes, these oils are highly concentrated when extracted. It can either be used in pure form or diluted and blended with other oils to produce dash. Here we need to write the. Why? Because required is adjective, is an adjective along with noun, that is strength. When the fragrance which we are talking about, okay, aroma, okay, so we can write the fragrance is inhaled. A nerve, we cannot say the, a nerve that ends in the definite article because of article along with preposition in. Signals to the, preposition to the brain, which reacts to the positive power of. Next we have dash fragrant aroma. The fragrant aroma inducing pleasant memories, restoring emotional balance and encouraging relaxation. Many of these fragrant oils have antiseptic and antitoxic qualities and often act as an antidote to viral infections and pains. Aromatherapist uses the fragrance we talked about earlier, right? The fragrance of natural substances and for healing. In other words, so we are going to begin the statement again. The aim is to capture the effects of sense of the world, both conscious and unconscious, directed to specific purpose. This therapy is used not only for the treatment, it comes generally, right? Not only for the treatment of physical illness, but to improve, whether we have to write a mental and or the mental, not only for the treatment of physical illness, but to improve a mental comes a mental and even a spiritual conditions as well. Let's move. Here, fill in the blanks with articles. The first one is about the title. A guest singular, a guest in the house. The house is definite there. When you are a guest in someone else's house, act as though you are in your own house, but not too much. To be, what we can write is to be a perfect guest who will be asked. Can we write perfect here? Here perfect is adjective and guest is noun. As a result, we can write here the perfect. To be the perfect, to be the perfect, to be the perfect, to be a perfect. The perfect guest who will be asked back again and again. Just behave the way you would like a guest or the guest. Guest we talked earlier, right? As a result, we need to use the guest to act in your home. The invitation to dinner at the home of a friend, singular, doesn't give you much time to get acquainted with his or her family. So put your best forward. Your hostess has used her best linen. So don't be clumsy and spill gravy on the tablecloth. Compliment your hostess even if the food chokes you. Be successful dinner guest. Everyone can manage to be polite for a few hours. So in this way, this activity is finished. So thank you, my dear children. If you have doubt regarding any other part, you can ask me. Thank you so much.